Ready?
Ready!
Okay.
Kahit hindi kami
Scrambled letters. English word.
basic, it's basic.
Start with the letter F.
Da.
Hindi ko ito.
Fish.
Tama, P.
Flowers.
Mali. Mali. Mali.
Mali.
Flower.
Tama, flower.
Fish. Ano yan?
Benja.
Family.
Tama, family. Yan.
No, wait. Wala, hindi talaga alam. Hindi talaga alam.